Conditioned pacers lined up for tonight's first race, a field of 5 on gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Dio Gloria flashes speed from in between horses. Diana's Mayday also left well from the center. Sax Solo protects inside position as they race 3 wide into the opening turn. It's Dio Gloria, the Canadian Invader, who looks to take over early for Stiltner. Diana's Mayday away at a nice spot from second. Sax Solo along the inside from third. A length and a half back to Martin Luther Bluegrass away in fourth, and Lion of Judah is the trailer through an opening quarter of 27-2. So a snappy opening quarter there in the small field as Dio Gloria continues to lead it, and Stiltner looks to tap on the brakes here. It's a length and a half back to Diana's Mayday from along the inside second. Now Sax Solo moves to the outside as they pass by the 3/8 marker. Martin Luther Bluegrass just off the top trio from fourth, and Lion of Judah continues to trail the field as Sax Solo, the even money favorite, was up to take over as the field passes by the half in 56-2. Just 29 seconds for that second quarter, but still a quick opening half here. Sax Solo leads him onto the far turn. Dio Gloria, the early leader, now back in second. Diana's Mayday sits along the inside third. Martin Luther Bluegrass moves first over from fourth. Lion of Judah continues to save ground from fifth. They race midway around the far turn, and Sax Solo, the favorite, continues to lead it. Dio Gloria now back to the outside from second. Martin Luther Bluegrass continues on up on the outside third. They're off 3/4 and 1:25-4, and Sax Solo is under pressure as they hit the top of the lane. Dio Gloria bears down out in the center of the track. Diana's Mayday up the inside late. Martin Luther Bluegrass in the far outside. Sax Solo still there. Dio Gloria down the center of the track. Martin Luther Bluegrass, they drive for the finish. Dio Gloria and Sax Solo. Dio Gloria going to win the opener. Dio Gloria takes it from Sax Solo, who was second. Lion of Judah finished third in